Second key concept. Every material have a property that is the resistivity. The resistivity is more or less the resistance to flow. And the definition of resistivity, rho, is the magnitude of the electrical field applied to the particles that are moving with velocity v sub d, because they are moving because there are an electrical field, and they are moving with constant velocity v sub d because even the electrical field is accelerating the particle. There is a resistance to move that makes the particle at the end to move with constant velocity v sub d, magnitude of the constant velocity v sub d. So the resistivity is the relation between the electrical field that is applied and the magnitude of the density, the current per unit of area, or the charge that is flowing per unit of time and per unit of area. This relation is a characteristic of every material, and this is called resistivity. And the resistivity is bigger if the temperature increases. Why? Because if the temperature increases, the vibration of the lattice of the atoms, of the nucleus of the atoms here, is much more bigger, and makes this vibration makes more collision between the moving particles and the lattice in a way that more collision means like more frictions, so the velocity v sub d decrease and the resistance increase, the resistivity increase. So with the temperature T, the resistivity is doing something like this. As you go at higher temperature, the resistivity goes up. Second key concept complete.